Hey, Scott Lair, the cruise genius.com. Ocean Cay Marine Reserve Preserve, MSC Foundation, the flora, the fauna, the coral, the dolphin, the water, the pollution, the environment, island breeze. Now, the one thing I've said many times, when you come to any private island, that is not the time. Let's sit, relax, be on Facebook for 7 hours, read the Bible, talk, reflect. Get off the ship early. Why? Get off the ship early, you're going to be able to grab a prime chair. There's the lighthouse. But no, stay on the ship. Slow cup of coffee. Ponder the day. On Facebook for 6 hours. Sit and talk. Wake up slowly. Walk slowly. Enjoy our vacation. And usually it's the wife. It's never the guy. The guy always wants to get off the ship. Let's start the day. Let's go, go, go. Our vacation is short. It's usually the wife. It's a slower pace. Slower pace. Why rush? Why go? Why go? Why rush? Why go? Why go and rush? Let's rest. Sit more. No. Get off the ship early. Get a prime deck chair. Prime beach chair. Like Marty and I, right here. We're under an umbrella here at the beach that's very close to the MSC seashore. Are we going to be here all day? Absolutely not. But we got off the ship around 9:15 and we got a great chair. And there's not a whole lot of chairs here and umbrellas. Now, on other parts of Ocean Cay Marine Reserve, Preserve, water, coral, flora, fauna, the dolphin, pollution, you have to rent umbrellas, like for $19 ahead of time. But if you get a free umbrella, why not? From Ocean Cay Marine Preserve, Reserve, coral, flora, fauna, MSC Foundation, Scott Lair, thecruisegenius.com, like and subscribe.